Welcome to the installation guide for tapered lever handles. In this video, we will be using a commercial hooked lever handle. However, the same process is applicable to any lever handle. Installing is easy if you follow our simple video instructions. In the package, you will find your CuGrip wraps, a custom applicator tool, adhesive labels to place on your door above the wrap, and an info slip. Be sure to read it carefully. First, ensure that the area that you are applying the CuGrip wrap is clean of dirt and other debris. Next, peel the CuGrip wrap off the adhesive sheet. Be careful not to touch the adhesive layer on the back of the wrap. Next, remove the transparent protective film from the front of the CuGrip wrap. Peel slowly to avoid creasing and wrinkling. However, if some wrinkling occurs, don't worry. This will be smoothed out during installation. Once your wrap is ready to place, align the wider section of the wrap with the wider section of the handle. Align the center of the wrap with the center of the handle, making sure it isn't skewed. Starting in the middle, press down on the wrap to secure it in place. Next, grab your applicator tool and make your way to the top of the handle, pressing down on the wrap to avoid air pockets and wrinkles. At the bend, ensure that the wrap nicely conforms to the corner before starting to flatten the top portion. Do the same for the other side of the wrap. Once the wrap is installed, there should be a small overlap. Make sure to press down on the seam to remove rough edges. Run the applicator tool along the rest of the edges to create a smooth feel all around. Once you do this, you're done. If there are wrinkles that you can't remove even after using the applicator tool, that's okay. It will not affect the performance of CuGrip wraps. Lastly, apply the adhesive label above the wrap to notify people of its self-sanitizing properties.